YouTube. So you might see what I have in front of me here. It is the CCRadio-EP Pro. And without getting into my life story, I've liked radio for quite some time. I got a few shortwave radios. I did not need another shortwave radio. I got one like, well, this one here. Everybody's got one of those. And a Texan PL 880, just to show you a couple. But anyway, I didn't need another shortwave radio. I just wanted something that's nice and basic and simple that gets really good AM reception. That's what I was looking for, AM reception. It's weather's starting to get nice. It's end of April, good for sitting outside and seeing what stations you can pull in. So after watching a few YouTube videos and reading a couple things on the internet, I decided on this one. So I looked for the best price and I found this one for $74.95. Ordered it from the ham radio outlet. They sent me this with it in the box. So a whole bunch of stuff in there. So that was nice. I ordered it on a Friday evening, and I just got it today on Monday. So I live in 40 miles south of Little Rock, Arkansas. So they sent it to me from their Plano, Texas store. It got here really quick. I was really impressed. And we're right in the middle of the whole coronavirus thing with delayed shipping and all that. So I was impressed. They got it here pretty fast. They packed it well, too, and a bunch of foam peanuts. Got here nice and safe. So that was a good price. I think they charged me $74.95. You can see there. And they charged me about, I think it was $9.99 for shipping. But anyway, let's unbox this puppy and see what's in it. Well, I'll show you the box first. So, for starters, looks like we have some sort of cubed-shaped containment device here with some still photography on the front of the box. There's the front. Nothing on the bottom. Just another picture on the top. There you go. There's the side. CCRadio phone number there. Made in China, of course. For the other side. And there's the back, showing you some of the features. Alright, so let's pop her open. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Here we go. Let's pull out the main attraction. Here, that's probably going to be the power adapter. Let's see, adapter. Yes, sir, it is. Take these off. Put them over here. Let's see what else we got. Instruction manual. Let's put that there for now. You don't see in the box enough, so let's put that over here now. Okay. So we got the instruction manual here. Let's see. Some CCRadio stuff. Limited warranty. Put that off to the side. Safety instructions. Do not take in the bathtub with you. Does it say that anywhere? Oh, no. Anyway. So you got that quick start guide. You got your controls and functions there. It's pretty self-explanatory for anybody who's ever used a radio before. And all that. Takes 4D batteries. So that's that. Take it out of here. Piece of tape on about. Put that there. This here for the power adapter. So that's what comes in the box. Registration card and book and adapter. And here's the radio. Nice crisp feel to it. You got your bass tuner. Well, that's nice. That's pretty grippy. I like that. I like that little arrow there too, showing you where you're at. It's handy. Got your wide and narrow. Well, that's just one switch. And on the side, I'm not gonna show you all the functions for all this. There's at least a half dozen other videos out there already on what all these do. The guy Todd Ebert's got a good one. If you want 3 hours of video content on how to use it, you can see him. And, I don't know how that guy says his name so fast. Todd Ebert. Anyway, he's got some good videos. And there's the back. Oops. Wow. Sounded not good. Right, 40 batteries there on the inside. So, let's see how long the antenna is. Probably pretty long. They usually are. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah. Let's see if you can see that. But, goes out there pretty good ways. But say a good 3 feet. That's my guess. All right. And there she all is. And I'll take her out later on and see what kind of reception we get. Wait for the sun to go down and take it outside and go from there.